Hey everyone, Greg here. This one keyword now is on page one of Google for my site. I wrote this article back in June, so never ranked, then went to position 35, and now it's position 7. So it's on the bottom of page one of Google. And what's neat is that you can change the estimated traffic. You can see how much traffic you get for getting out to page one. Basically, you get about 1 visit or so. And then when you get to position 5, that's generating just about 6 clicks for that one position. And then real quick, the page itself though ranks for 80 keywords right now according to SEMrush. That probably means there's even more. It's just that their tool hasn't updated that, and about 141 estimated traffic. So the reason why I'm sharing this is that the process that I go about finding topics and writing content, especially for phrases that have a lot of competition like this, there's a lot of great sites that rank within Google and Bing for this query. They have the answer box. There's some videos. There's a lot of really good content around this. So if you're going to go after a competitive phrase on your site, just do the search analysis that I go over in the SEO workshop. Write the content essentially in the tools. Optimize your images, which I did right here. This image right here ranks within Google and Bing. And then try to embed some videos if you can. Really make it the one-stop shop. So somebody who comes to this page, they're going to get everything that they need, all the questions, video content, even some Instagram embeds, all that kind of stuff right there. So again, if you are new to SEO, try to track about 1 or 2 keywords on a daily basis within SEMrush, just as a barometer to see how you're progressing towards page 1. But also know that in the back of your mind, there's going to be more keywords ranking for that page and driving even more traffic in general. Again, this one keyword drove about 6 visits in one day, but as a collection, this page is going to drive about 141 visits for the entire month. So there's more keywords that are going to make up essentially the traffic, not just one. So wanted to share some news, wanted to share how the search analysis is going from my end. I'm in that 2-month time frame, and that's usually the time frame I give new clients that you can expect to rank in about 3 months when you do the proper search analysis that I go over for my clients. So thank you very much for watching.